So now we're going to talk a little bit about overriding methods. So each of these two items that we have, the student and the teacher, are both have some sort of courses. The teacher teaches courses, and the student goes to courses. The TA does both, and we're going to have to work out exactly how to deal with that. So the person, we're going to define a method called public get courses, and we're going to give it a return type of an array list of strings. But we can't put anything in there because get courses only exists, only makes sense within the context of the more general, of the more specific category of a teacher or a student. So we're going to write this more as a way to remind us that we need to implement this method. So let's go into teacher, and we're going to what's called override that method, meaning write a method that's going to be called the exact same thing, that if it wasn't overridden, calling it on teacher would actually go back up to the superclass and get that one. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to write public array list string get courses. And for this one, we're going to return courses. Courses in this context is going to be private. It's going to be an array list with strings of courses. Private array list of courses, and that's what this method is going to return. So if I were to call teacher.getCourses, so it needs to figure out which get courses we want to work through. Do we want to work with the one in the superclass in person, or do we want to work with the one that's in the teacher class?